we will understand how to check whether a pair of linear equation has a unique solution or infinitely many solution, or there is no solution by comparing the coefficient of the variables. First, you have to write the equation in form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Next, find out the values of a1, b1, a2, b2, c1, c2, and next compare the values. First try to find out the result of a1 by a2 and then b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then we will get a unique solution for the pair of linear equation. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then it means there are many solution, infinitely many solution. And if the condition arises like this, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, it means there is no solution. So we have already covered this portion when I covered the graphical method to represent a pair of linear equation. You can go to my playlist, you can find the videos where we have discussed this portion. Okay, so we will start the chapter. Welcome to my channel, study with me. Today we will solve the exercise 3.5, the question number 1. This question today we will solve. Okay, we have already discussed the cross multiplication method, the definition of this method, and we have already understood this method with an example. So today we will start the question on this method. This is the first question. This is exercise 3.5, which is based on linear equation class 10. It is NCERT solution. We have already covered exercise 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. If you want, you can go to my playlist. You can find all the videos that I have created on this chapter. So we will start this question. So in this question, first you have to compare the equation with the first equation with a1x plus b1y plus c1. Okay, so a1 is here the coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y, and c1 is the constant term. So in this equation, what is the coefficient of x? That is 1. So a1 is 1. What is the coefficient of y? It is minus 3. So b1 is minus 3 and c1 is constant term, that is minus 3. And compare this equation with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So coefficient of x is here a2, coefficient of y is b2 and constant term is c2. So compare this equation with this equation. Then what is the coefficient of x is here? It is 3 and coefficient of y is minus 9 and constant term is minus 2. So a2 is 3, b2 is minus 9 and c2 is minus 2. And next find out the value of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 will be 1 by 3, b1 by b2 will be minus 3 by minus 9, that is 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 will be minus 3 by minus 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So next you have to remember three conditions. The first condition is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. This is one condition. Okay, and if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the pair of linear equation has a unique solution. This is second condition. And if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equation does not have any solution. So three conditions are there. So we have to find out which condition matches here. So here we can find out that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 because both are 1 by 3, but they are not equal to c1 by c2, that is 3 by 2. So we can apply the third condition. So here we can conclude that the pair of linear equation does not have any solution in this question.